Okay, guys. I want you people to create, okay? Create just the first div, okay? Like this. First, you want to create a name, okay? We are going to create a application form as of now, okay? One of the application form. So usually, if you take any kind of application form, it is going to have your name, okay? And then it is going to have your, let's take, what are the options we can take? We can take nationality as an option. And we are going to have your option, other options like which graduation you are. And then you're going to, so these kind of form you're going to create. First and foremost, div, just create a div called name. And then we have to see how to create a choice kind of field and how to create a reference kind of div and all. Today we are going to learn that. First you create a div with a name. I will ask you people to share your screen to show that. So please do it a little bit cautious actually. Guys, are you creating it? Then only we can start learning about our reference fields and all. Reference and choice field. The first one should be the name. Second one should be like and create a nationality. Nationality as a field name. And it should refer what? It should refer your country table. It should refer your country table.
No, plus, yeah, I'm attending in mobile.
Sorry? Or otherwise
I'm attending
create gender. Gender with options you can create. How to create in the sense, the div should be like this actually. I can show you the div. Can you see this div? Guys? Can you see the div? This one? Same way you create. This is how we will have to create it actually. The div and your gender label should be like this. And if you want to give some kind of select box option, then you have to create a select. And how to select your options. See, options and all, how you have to give. This is how you have to mention your options. And once you do the preview, it has to preview the value. That is the main thing. Okay. It has to same way how it previews your as a select box or option. Same way it has to be done. Completed that one? Guys, can you able to see the options actually? If you put in such a way, it is appearing as options. Then I'm going to
No,
show you the reference field. Is it showing up?
no, Prasya, I am in listening in mobile.
Sorry?
I am attending in mobile.
See guys, this is a very important session. Please try to do it in your laptop. Even though if you attend in your mobile, try to do it in your laptop. If you don't have hands-on in the sense, in the end of the day, it's like you have listened the class very carefully and you know all the structures how to make to done. But when you keep it in your hand, you definitely can't do it. At least you should have some hands-on. This session is very important. This up to completing this custom widget one. Custom things if you did, all other things you can do it very easily actually. Sridhar, are you making this one actually?
Yeah, I'm doing, madam.
Okay, if you don't mind, can you share your screen? I could see like.
My PDA just got open.
Sorry?
Just now I opened PDF. My
Oh,
laptop.
please do it. Please do it. I will give
Yeah.
you another
Yes.
3 to 4 minutes. It's a very easy one. Once we complete this, I'm going to show you. We just call this value in the control side and how to pass this to the server side. That is the one we are going to study as a computer. Now I'm going to share the stuff which you help you to go with your reference fields. The many of the thing we used to do with the reference field only. I'm adding the reference field div also over here. This is your reference field div. Let me open it in widget editor. See, gender, country. Oh, it's not coming. I have to check why it is not coming up. Okay. To show up this one, I have to write some more code over here. Because I have written only the server side, sorry, yeah, only the script over there. But still I have to call this countries items. By using the core underscore company table. Correct? By using the core underscore company table, I have to see how it is referring in the system. So for that, I have to use my system to show that. For that, I have to call the API in my system. Okay, API dot get the particular exact name of that one. So which will showing me the countries. So I'm going to add fetch. Over here, I'm going to add like scope dot data dot countries. Same thing, whatever I just put it over here. Even though I can, instead of scope, I could call this one as what? C dot data dot country. C dot data dot country. And here I should call fetch the list of countries in what? HTTPS dot get API dot now, that table API I'm calling core underscore company. And then the function response should be like this. Let me save it. Now I have to see if I could. Okay, this one is working, but still this one has some issue. Just complete up to this gender. I will fix this nationality. Let me go and check the country table itself. Core underscore fit. It is showing some message actually. The public widget is querying from the table. This widget is public and queries data from table. It is not showing the value. Response. You do this up to this one, guys, as a hands-on one. Interesting. So, up to this, did you people able to complete it actually? Guys? After this, can you people able to complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right? Just give me a minute. Let me fix it up that um the reference field. Okay. So now, can you able to add what are the other type of fields we have in our system? Right? We see choice, we see reference. What are the other type of fields we may have. Just think about it, then only we can add it over here and we can see how it is actually working.
List type.
List, yeah. List should be like where list in the sense in it's the widget itself a list, right? That is what you're mentioning. Am I correct? The widget itself a list. That is what you're mentioning, right?
Oh, madam, we have a list now in that incident forms. Like I was telling.
Ah, that is what also I'm mentioning. The widget itself will be containing the list view. Once you click, if you can show the list view, and then you will be loading the rest of that.
Okay.
But in the form, you don't have that list, right? It will be up to this. Mostly, it will be like this one, right?
Mhm.
Okay. That is called, for that itself, we just have a separate list itself, okay? How to say, like separate list widget itself. Simple list is the instance ID. So the instance of simple list will help you to create those kind of areas actually.
Okay. Okay.
So for that, you don't need extra efforts to be written. Just if you call over there, then it will be helpful for you. Okay. Now let us start evaluating this one. The nationality, whatever I put it is correct only, but still there is an issue that that's not rendering up correctly over there.
It is
Otherwise,
in
I have
client
to
script.
called, yeah, I have written in the client side, but client also we can write. Otherwise, we have to write it in the server side scripting over here.
Okay.
Just like over here, we can pass this one as where country equal to new glide record, new glide record of
For country. we have to push it that value into that array, ma'am.
1 minute. Coming. Country.sys. We can push it out in that 2 ways actually. Country. Let's push it in the format of like ID, table, and sys kind of format, and also with the name format. Okay. Otherwise, we can push it like only with the sys and the name. 2 values we can push it up and we can get the value in the next slide also. But before going on to this particular one, we have written both the sides, like client side and the parent side. Okay. So now I'm going to check like for example, we just directly going to call this one, but how to call a from another table. For example, if you take a requested item, in the sense we will be calling that request along with that. And if we have the requested item, in the sense you will be calling the parent of the field. These things also we have to cover within this area itself actually. Now let us complete this one and we can move forward to the next level. One minute, guys. I'm going to change my router. Let it be in this place, guys, okay? I will fix it up, okay? I'm not sure why this is working, but within this code itself, it has to work. This result itself has to work actually. Because we directly calling the table API and it has to put the responses over here. Okay, let me check and show you up in the next session, okay? Like how it will be showing. But before that, we can complete this form fully. Whatever fields we want to add it over here. Okay?
Okay.
Now over here, let's put the comment kind of session, which is going to be a very big area. So what type of div we will be using over here? In div, what are the different type of classes or different type of methods we will be using it up over here? Instead of input, we should use what? For the comments and for the description and all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, could you please check like instead of input, okay? What if
Okay.
you want to give a very big text area, okay? Then what is the tag you will be using it over here? I have told you in the previous session also.
Paragraph, right?
No paragraph. It's a area called text area.
Okay.
So try to create another div with the comments.
Okay.
Yeah.
Comments field.
Yeah, comments field, but that has to comes in what? The type has to
Text
be
area.
text, but the
Text.
name and everything should be like with the comments. Same way you have to create
Okay.
it. Completed?
Ma'am, we have to push that SysID into that array, ma'am. We have created a data.country. Yes, yes.
Okay, guys, let me fix this sound, this one. If you people can able to join tomorrow,
Yes, yes, ma'am. You can join.
okay. Same time, 9 a.m. tomorrow we can see. Okay. Usually I won't
Okay.
keep weekend session, but still to complete this part, and also we have to complete one more part, like few more items. Okay, I have another 3 items to be get completed in the same page. We can complete that part. Okay. Thank you guys for your cooperation.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.